Good morning, children, and welcome to my new class. Today, we'll be starting the very first poem of your book, that is Madhobi, the Young Spring Flower. This is by Rabindranath Tagore. I hope you all know who Rabindranath Tagore is, right? Now, let us start Madhobi, the Young Spring Flower. Now, first of all, Madhobi. Which flower are we talking about? Now, in this poem, you will come across the word meanings which are given here just below the poem here, right? So now, here the poet is talking about Madhubi, which is a beautiful flower which is seen only in the spring season. So let us read it out. Madhobi, the young spring flower, is in a rush to leave. Now, what do you mean by in a rush to leave? Here, rush refers to it's in a hurry to leave. Now, where is it going? Where is it leaving? It's not leaving. It's going to just fall down because it's a short lived flower. It has a very short life. So Madhobi, the young, now it's a young and it's a spring flower and it is in a hurry to leave. It means it is going to fall down. As soon as it arrives, it means as soon as it arrives, as soon as it blooms, the very moment it lives only for a short while and then it goes away in a sudden wave of splendor. Now, what do you mean by splendor? Here it means that when suddenly you see the garden would be full of those madhubi flowers and everywhere you would see these flowers. But the next moment, since these are very short-lived flowers, these will not be there anymore. It's a sudden wave of splendor, a beautiful sight where you'll see many hundreds and thousands of madhubi flowers. No, no, cry out the leaves. So see, the leaves which are here, they start shouting and crying. And what do they say? No, no. Whispering protest. Protest means when you speak something against something. So they are protesting against the Madhubi flower leaving. So they don't want the Madhubi flower to leave. The stars in the heavens exclaim, won't you hurry along? So see here two contrasting things are given. The leaves are trying to protest and stop the flowers from falling down. But the stars in the heaven are exclaiming, won't you hurry along? So they are saying, won't you hurry? Come fast. We need you. So here the flowers are being stopped by the leaves, but the stars in the heaven want them to come there fast. But the leaves encircle the blossom. Now, what do you mean by encircle? Encircle means to hug them, to cover them. So, the leaves encircle the blossom. Blossom means the flowers. And plead. Plead means to request. Do not leave us. The southern breeze blows past. Now, the southern breeze is the light wind that is blowing. The southern breeze blows past and murmurs. Murmurs means speaks softly. Come with me, little one. So come with me. Who is me here? Me refers to the breeze. And who is the little one? The flowers. So now again the leaves are trying to encircle the flowers and stop them from falling down. But the southern breeze again tries to take them away. Far away, the infinite blue sinks into the twilight. The night of or the full moon recedes. Now it is evening time, and far away, the infinite. Infinite means far, far away. Blue sinks into the twilight. Now here, blue refers to the blue sky, and it sinks. It means the blue color starts disappearing because it is getting darker. The evening has come into twilight. Twilight is the time which is between the night and the evening. So the time is changing and it is becoming night time. The night of the full moon recedes. It means the night comes. No time left for us, my dear. No, please no, whisper the dancing leaves. Now, what do the flowers say? No time left for us, my dear. It means that there is no time left and the flowers have to leave. No, please no. Whisper the dancing leaves. Now, who is requesting here? No, no. This is being requested by the leaves. As they throng around the disappearing flower. Throng means as they encircle the disappearing flowers. But the flowers have to go because Madhavi is a short-lived flower. I hope this is clear to you and you have understood the poem. It's a beautiful poem which tells us that though Madhavi is a short-lived flower, but it is so beautiful that even for its short life, it gives a lot of happiness and it spreads a lot of beauty around. So I hope this is clear to you. Here, if you can see, understanding the poem, answer these questions. Very easy. And I hope that you will be able to do these. Which two lines in the first stanza show that Madhavi is a short-lived flower? Very easy. See here. Madhavi, the young spring flower, is in a rush to leave. So it is in a rush to leave as soon as it arrives. So these two lines tell us that the flower is short-lived. Again, look at the second question. Which words describe how the flower was at the time it appeared? So at the time it appeared. So let us see. Look here. So at the time it appeared, it is very young. The flower was young and it appeared in a sudden wave of splendor. So it was very young and it appeared in a sudden wave of splendor. This is the answer for the second one. The third one. When the flower is preparing to leave, who urges it to stay? Who wants it to have it somewhere else? Very easy, we have done this. So you can write when the flower is preparing to leave, the leaves urge it to stay. And the stars want to have it somewhere else, that is in the sky. Who tries quietly to take the flowers along? So the southern breeze tries quietly to take the flowers along. Which are the only words the flower itself speaks? If you remember, it is in the second last line. Here, no time left for us, my dear. No time left for us, my dear, are the only words which are spoken by the flower. Okay, next. Who tries the hardest to have the flower with them? The leaves, the stars, or the southern breeze? So it's very clear. The leaves try hardest to have the flowers with them. What makes you so say so? Because throughout the poem, the leaves go on requesting and pleading the flowers to stay. Where is the size of the flower indicated? Where are we told which season it blooms in? Very clearly, it is given in the very first line, right? Let us see here. Madhavi, the young spring flower. This tells us about the flower. And where do we come to know that which season is it? Let us see where it tells us about the season. So here, Madhavi, the young spring flower. So the word spring tells us that it blooms in the spring season. I hope it is clear to you. So these are the 7 questions which are to be done by you. I have discussed these questions with you. For the thorough answers, you can go through the video again and again and write down the answers in your notebook very clearly. So have a nice day and keep learning.